some cookies. So let's see, they've got these assorted holiday. Got these, cheese, and these. A pineapple. Oh my gosh, these things are tiny. Tiny, tiny. Do a little charcuterie tray. Herb ghost peppers, that'll be enough. Figs, don't want figs. I don't know. I kind of like figs, but I don't know if anybody else is going to eat figs. I wonder how these are going to taste. This is a lot of them though. I want something just a little bit sweet. I don't know. I don't see anything sweet except the figs. And I don't know if anybody's gonna eat figs. Everything else is gone. And I love mussels in their tomato garlic sauce. I think I'll get one of these. I may have one of those at home though. I can hear a lot of people talking over there on the Aldi Finds road, so I probably won't be able to do much talking. But let's get over there. This floor pillow, I've wanted one of these for a while. I want one from Jungalow at Target though. That's the one I really want. They've got these wine or beer tasting flights. $9.99 for 4 bottles, 4 glasses in a tray. That's a good deal. These wine glasses, a set of 4. Or 2 whiskey glasses, $9.99 also. And ribbed glasses, is this 4? Yeah, that's 4. More cheese boards, $9.99. Mini candle. Cordless mixer. I kind of want to get this. $14.99. I will if there are any when they start to go down in price. I'll get that. These are still here. Set of 3 for $6.99. A runner. That's cute. It's plain. I mean, it's basic. It is. Silver on a napkin replacement. $4.49. Heated massager, shoes, neck massager, and a seat massager. All 3 of these look to be $19.99. Hair drying towel, massage ball, facial steamer. The steamers. Got a little makeup. Xbox headlight. And then they've got these Android charging station. a quick run to Aldi, and this is what we got. I think I want to try to start going to Aldi like this during the week instead of on Sunday, so that my day isn't extended so long on Sunday. Anyway, let's jump to it because that was my lunch break and I've got to get back to work. For basics, I am likely going to make chili this week, and by this week meaning maybe even as late as Saturday. So I've got ground beef for chili. I think that's what I'm going to do with that, or burgers. I want to do a small charcuterie board. Charcuterie board? Did I say that? What did I say? Charcuterie? Charcuterie board. So I've got this salami and provolone. I've got some blackberries for that, and then I got some crackers for that. But anyway, so that's this. I'm sure once I plate it, it's going to be pretty, and everybody's going to want to eat it. I was thinking at first nobody else would really want it, but so I've got that. Some cheese. These were marked down. We always need cheese. I freeze cheese, so I've got cheese. Some honey wheat bread, garden vegetable crackers for the charcuterie board, some lettuce and English cucumber, some butter, blackberries, bananas. These two are for smoothies. We aren't in a season of eating them as much, but we need them for smoothies. But I only got two, so we can do 4 smoothies with these two. Got some grapes, mangoes, sweet potatoes, oranges, tomatoes, a cabbage, pineapple. What is raspberry lemonade? Yep. Crackers, hot dog buns, ranch, bagels, pie crust. These can go in the freezer, so I went ahead and got them because I'll need them for Christmas. And then these 2 seasonal items, they had mussels and snow crab clusters. The crab clusters were $16.99, and this is a pound and a half box. So I felt that was a good deal. And these mussels, I think, were $7.99. So that's what we've got from Aldi. Here's a look at all of the decor that's all over the place. I don't know. Can y'all see over there? There are lights. And over there are the rugs out of the bathroom because I put the Christmas rug in there already. And some of the decor is in here. Maybe I'll be able to fit all of the remaining decor in this in one of these bins, not both.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
So I'm almost done with all I'm going to share from this night of me putting away the Thanksgiving decor and decorating just a little bit for Christmas. This was a lot, and I only shared me starting, and then I'm done. Here's a clip of me being finished. I got everything up, so we've got to take all of those things out into storage. And here are a few of the decorations I put up that night. And sadly, the first night I missed an upload. I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one.